Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to learn about one new concept here in mBlock, and that's cloning. So what happens in cloning? We have this one sprite, only one sprite, one costume. There are no more costumes in it, just one costume. And we want this strawberry to drop from top to bottom in random positions, and it should not wait for the one to drop on the bottom and then go back. So I want the strawberry to bring come here multiple times on the screen. So we have a sort of game, all right? And the thing is that we can do it, we can add many costumes, but it is difficult to control all those costumes and program them one by one. So instead of that, we can create just the clones. Okay. So we start with events with control forever. Okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to the control, and in controls we have this: when I start as clone, create clone of myself, delete this clone. Okay. Start this clone, clone myself, and delete this clone. Okay, I'm going to bring all these things here. Okay, so what happens here, what it is going to do, when it is going to start, it is going to create clone of myself. Okay, and before that it is going to hide. Okay, I'm going to need a hide and show as well. Okay, so simple is that when game is started, it will hide and create a clone of itself. So what happens here, I'm starting it, it has cloned and it is has hidden. Stopping it and I can show it from here. Okay, so you can see nothing happened here till yet. Now let's say when I start as a clone, then it should say show, but it is going to be on the same position. So why don't we add some looks and let's say motion, go to random position. Okay, go to random position. Okay, so when I start it, and you see it has started cloning itself. Okay, stop. Oh, it was too fast. Why don't we wait for a sec? Wait 1 second, and when I'm going to start it. Okay, all right. So you can see how it is cloning itself by too many times. Now let's start making a game of it. All we want it here. Okay, so what I can do, I can go to random position, and let's say we want it. Okay, we are going to make a game that it is falling from top to bottom. Motion, change, set x, check set y2. Okay, this is y. So what is the position here? Y is 161. Okay, control C. I'm just going to write here control V. Okay, maybe 1670 be okay. All right. Okay, so here we have. Okay, it is just piling up in the bottom because this is what it is doing. Okay, so now we want to add some controls. Forever, forever do what? Change y by -10. So it is falling down. Okay. So if I'm starting it, and here it is going down. So we need to put some condition that if it is touching the ground, it should do something. Let's add something. A paint. I'm just going to draw a line. With shift key it will stay straight. Okay, I just take it a little out to be safer, so it is showing all over my, and I want it, let's say, green. Okay, and I have to select it first. It is green, and okay, little more than. Okay, why 12? Because my it's stepping 10 steps, so it might miss it and go across it. Okay, we don't want that. I'm just going to put it in the middle here. Okay, now that's it. Now I am going to come here, bring it down to the bottom. This is the floor. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I want a control if then else. Okay, so what we are going to do in if then else, if it is touching color. Okay, I'm just going to take the color. I have to be sure that it is the same color. Okay, this is the color. Okay, if it is touching color, all right, and play some sound, play sound, and delete this clone. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Oops. So what's happening? It's cloning too fast. Okay, we need to put it here. Okay, so you see a beautiful game of strawberries coming down, popping. Hopefully you can hear the sound pop. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.